Close your eyes for a moment and think about the ocean. What feelings does it evoke? The ocean is deeply intertwined with our lives. It sustains us, inspires us, and connects us all. Yet its health is in danger, and ocean health has a critical role in securing a sustainable future, not just for marine ecosystems, but for humanity itself. Our health and well-being depend on the ocean's balance. Through the ART4SEA project, we aim to explore this connection together and uncover how protecting the ocean means protecting ourselves. The ocean covers 71% of the Earth's surface and contains about 97% of our planet's water. We know we only have one planet. We also only have one ocean, a continuous body of water divided into basins like the Atlantic or Pacific. Our lives, now and forever, depend on it. The ocean is vital. It produces half the oxygen we breathe. It absorbs 90% of heat and 30% of CO2, mitigating climate change. It provides habitats like Posidonia meadows, which act as carbon sinks. The ocean is the Earth's lungs, regulating our climate and supporting life. The ocean supports astonishing biodiversity, a wide variety of microbes, flora and fauna species. From microbes and tiny phytoplankton, the basis of all food webs, are majestic cetaceans. Each organism plays a vital role in marine ecosystems. Look, this is part of the beautiful marine diversity we can find in the Mediterranean. Sea urchins, sea fans, stars, fish, octopuses, red coral, and jellyfish. Most of the major groups that exist on Earth are found exclusively in the ocean. The marine environment provides us with many ecosystem services, like food. It regulates the climate, provides oxygen and recreation, sustains tourism, and it's a source of medicines and minerals. A healthy ocean ensures a healthy planet. However, the ocean faces multiple challenges. It is under threat. Most of us, when thinking about marine pollution, think especially about plastic pollution. And indeed, plastic is everywhere, even in the ocean. 70% of marine litter is plastic, and the vast majority comes from land. Still, there are many other types of pollution like oil spills and the release of petroleum hydrocarbons in the environment, affecting dramatically at small scale. And also, chemical pollutants like herbicides and insecticides from agriculture, heavy metals, or even anti-fouling coats from recreational boats. Nutrient runoff, organic matter, nitrates and phosphates, seeping into rivers from farm and animal waste, as well as fertilizers from agriculture. These nutrients boost excessive growth of phytoplankton or bacterial communities, disrupting the food web and causing a depletion of oxygen. Moreover, we have overfishing. When we fish more than can replenish, there's a reduction in size and abundance of fish stocks. Overfishing causes an important impact on the food web, especially affecting top predators. Habitat fragmentation and degradation often lead to habitat loss, driven by coastal development, such as harbors, marinas, and dredging, as well as destructive practices like bottom trawling. The Mediterranean Sea is the most invaded sea on Earth. Ballast waters, fouling in vessels and structures like the Suez Channel, are enabling the dispersion of alien species, some of them invasive species. Climate change stands out as one of the most critical threats to the ocean in recent years and decades, driving glacial ice melt, the expansion of warming seas and rising sea levels, pushing the ocean to its limits. 90% of the heat is absorbed by the ocean, so waters are becoming warmer. As a consequence, many species are changing their distribution patterns. Cold or temperate species are moving toward the poles or in depth to reach colder waters, in the same way that terrestrial species are moving to higher altitudes. And then there are marine heat waves like those we experience inland, with prolonged periods of abnormally hot water temperatures. Many species, especially coastal invertebrates like corals, sponges, and sea fans that cannot move, are experiencing mass mortalities due to these extreme conditions. Moreover, the ocean is also absorbing 30% atmospheric carbon dioxide, which dissolves in seawater, raises acidity, and reduces the availability of calcium carbonate for plants and animals to make hard shells. Ocean acidification is expected to have severe consequences for many marine organisms, especially for planktonic pteropod mollusks in the Arctic and cold water corals. And new threats come from deep-sea mining, prospects for new fossil fuel extraction, and eolic parks located in vulnerable areas. All these pressures are cumulative, and the result is a significant biodiversity loss. We need solutions for ocean health, and human actions play a crucial role. Despite these pressures, we can still act to ensure a sustainable future for our oceans and generations to come. We can foster conservation efforts like creating marine protected areas, adopt sustainable practices by reducing carbon footprints, being responsible in consumption, having more sustainable lifestyles like buying local and organic products, consider reducing, reusing, or at least recycling, promote citizen science to raise awareness and collect data and knowledge from society, spread ocean literacy through education, art, and storytelling. We need to be aware and cultivate a deeper connection to the ocean. Every effort matters for safeguarding the ocean, ensuring a sustainable future for our planet and all its life forms. Close your eyes again and think about the ocean. Reflect on the challenges it faces and how deeply our lives depend on it. Together we can.